Hello everyone, welcome back to Mama in the Kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make flan. So I'm going to start off by showing you the ingredients. First, you're going to need 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and then you're going to need 2 cans of evaporated milk, 2 cans of sweetened condensed milk, 4 eggs, and then you're also going to need 1 cup of sugar for the caramel. And then I'm going to be using this mold. You can use whatever pan you would like. I just think this looks pretty, so this is what I'm going to be using. And now we're going to go ahead and get started. So the first thing we're going to be doing is caramelizing the sugar. So you're going to put the 1 cup of sugar in a pot on low to medium heat, and you're going to let it caramelize without mixing because it does get clumpy. And I'll show you what it looks like after a few minutes. This is how it should look like after 4 or 5 minutes. It's still not ready, but this is the color that you want it to be. So we're going to wait until the rest of the sugar turns into this caramel. After another few minutes, this is how it should look like. So now it's ready, and we're going to go ahead and pour it into the pan. After pouring the caramel sauce into a pan, now we're going to go ahead and make the flan mixture. So in a blender, you're going to go ahead and add the evaporated milk, the sweetened condensed milk, the vanilla, and your 4 eggs, and you're going to blend them together for a few minutes. After 1 to 2 minutes of blending everything together, you're just going to go ahead and pour it into your bakeware or your mold. After pouring the mixture into your bakeware, you're just going to go ahead and place it in a deep dish, and you're going to be adding boiling water to the deep dish until it's almost to the top of the bakeware. So you want the water to be not all the way to the top, but like almost to the top like this. And now we're going to go ahead and place this in the oven, and we're going to bake it at 320 for an hour, or until your knife comes out clean once you poke it in. Okay, so it's been baking for an hour at 320, and this is how it looks like. And I went ahead and poked a knife through just to make sure that it comes out clean. So this is what it should be like. And now I'm going to let it rest in the water bath for about 20 minutes before I put it in the fridge. Okay, so I went ahead and took it out the water, and now I'm going to let it rest for another 10 minutes before I put it in the fridge. After 10 minutes, I'm now going to go ahead and place this in the fridge for 2 hours. Okay, so it's been in the fridge for 2 hours, and now I'm going to go ahead and loosen up the sides so when it comes out easily. After loosening up the sides, you're going to go ahead and place your tray or your platter that you're going to be putting the flan in on top, and you're going to flip it over. And after flipping it over, you're just going to go ahead and place it in the fridge for another hour. So it's been in the fridge for another hour, and now I'm going to go ahead and cut into it. This is the final look of the flan, and now it's ready to serve. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, and thank you for watching.